Go.
All right, we are here at 23706 Tristan Bay Court. Going to do this repair attempt on this wind damaged shingle here. So this is best effort. I'm going to see what we can do. On that. See how the nail is tearing through? You see that?
Yeah.
So this is the one we're going to be replacing, so that's not that huge of a deal. But that does indicate it's probably going to do the same thing on the other shingles that we are not supposed to be replacing. Yep, there it already is. You see how that nail head pulled right through the shingle there? This is supposed to be on one of the shingles that's a quote-unquote good shingle. Also, if you see, we have black felt here. Can you see that black felt?
Yep.
So there's many spots on the roof where the decking is showing. The shingles are completely missing. The black felt has been torn, and that is not replaceable. Or sorry, that is not repairable. It's got to be replaced. Yeah, that one tried to tear through, but I got it out. That one tore right through. See that hole? That's where the nail head just pulled through. So, and that is on the shingle that is not supposed to be being replaced. Okay, that one came out okay. That's good. Now already at this point, I can say definitively that one came out good. And this roof is not repairable. That's good. Because as we go to repair it, we're having new damage created. So now this shingle needs to be replaced, and this shingle too. Because of there's nail heads ripping through, and because of the tearing that we're getting, you can see this creasing as well.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not doing anything wild or crazy with it. Just trying to get the bad shingle out and the good shingle in. So it's best effort, and we're gonna leave this new shingle in to try to keep shedding water, but this is not repairable. So. Yeah, you see that? It's tearing and creasing now, just from me lifting up that little bit. So, okay. Now with all these holes, the nail heads tore through too. I'm gonna do it next to it, because those holes are not reusable. same hole. Can't do that. So that's tearing and creasing as well. So, best effort repair attempt completed. The new shingle, with these other shingles are obviously having new damage created as we're doing a best effort to replace the shingle that needed to be replaced. This roof is not repairable. I need a full replacement. That's a wrap.